Right, is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, so, Dad, whose is the Mercedes?
Yes,
Mercedes!
yes, okay. Yes. Oh, they're thrown all over the court of human rights, you know. William will
The Mercedes is mine.
yes.
Mum, you're the witness.
I am.
Right?
Yes.
Mercedes is definitely
Yes.
Okay, you can stop now.
But they disputed it. William will say that you can't, and the Court of Human Rights will say that you can't do it under torture.
Hold on, put it back on.
Still on.
Did you or did you not ask me to do your feet?
Yes, I did.
So,
Yes.
you are not under torture, are you? You're not being tortured, are you, Dad? You're not being tortured.
Oh.
You're not being tortured.
Oh.
You give me the Mercedes on
Yes. No.
You can stop now.
Thank you. What do I do? Press off.
I'm going to put that on YouTube.
Off?
Yeah.